Hello students, once again welcome back to the class of Ravi Sarji Maths. The easiest and best way to learn the concept of mathematics. I am welcoming once again. Students, today here we are going to study about fundamental theorem of arithmetics. Students, you know that every positive integer other than 1, every positive integer other than 1 is either prime or composite. If a given integer is composite, it can be written in product of its factor. The students, these factor in terms are also either primes or composite. If these composite factor can be splitted further, if we keep up doing this factorization, ultimately arrive at a stage when all the factors are prime numbers. So students, in a very sweet manner we can write all these things. Every composite numbers can be factorized. Every composite number can be factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique except for order in which the primes factors occurs. Students, we will deal this definition, deal these theorems with few examples. Let us start over here. We will factorize these composite integers by prime tree factors. Let us see with example over here. 70 we have to factorize 70 by factor tree. First of all, you can see that students, whenever you are doing the factorization, you will have to take the consideration the smallest prime numbers. So first of all, consider the smallest prime number. The smallest prime number is 2. So 70 is to be divided by 2. Here we are getting, students, 35. Again 35 is a composite integer, so it is again factorized. So this time it is divided by 5. So here we are getting what? 7. So students, here you can see that 70 can be written as the product of prime factors. The product of prime factors means 2 into 5 into 7. Similarly, 84 can be factorized in the same way. First of all, see, the digit is a even or odd or prime number. So divide by 2. By dividing by 2 to 84, here we are getting 42. Again 42 is a composite integer, it is splitted again. So divide by 2 once again. Here we are getting 21. 21 can be splitted once again. Divide by 3. Here we are getting 7. So students, 84 can be written as 2. The power of 2, 1 is over here and 1 is over here. So 2 square 3 into 7. Example number 3. 1176 is a composite integer. So splitting once again. Splitting by 2. 2 5s are 10. Carry 1 over here, 17. 2 8s are 16. Carry 1 over here, 16 again, 8s are. Again splitting 588. 2 2s are 4. 18. 9 जा 8 4. Again 294 is to be splitted 1, 9 is over here, so 4 to 2 4s are 8, 4, 1 carries over here, 1 is to be carries over here, so 14, this is 7. Again students, 147 is to be more further splitted. So first of all trying with 3, so 3 4s are 12, 2 is over here means 27, 9 ja 49, divide by 7, so finally we are getting over here 7. Okay students, 1176 can be written as 1 2 3, means 2 is to the power 3 and 7 7, so 7 is to the power 2. 156 students, all these things we have to practice to the as per the previous question. So 156 factorize by factor tree. First of all it is to be divided by 2. Here we are getting what? 2 7 ja 14, 16 over here, so 8 ja. Again by 2, 3 ja 6, 18 over here 9, so divide by 3, it will be 13. So 156 can be written as 2 into 2, means 2 is to the power 2, 3 is to the power 1 and 13 is to the power 1. Similarly 13,915 can be factorized by tree factor. First of all check these things, by which number it is to be factorized. So you can see the unit digit students, its unit digit is odd number. So first of all you should try to factorize this number by trying with 3. So 3 4s are 12, 19 over here, 3 8 ja 6, 3 6 ja 18, 1 will be over here 11, 3 3s are 9 means 25. It means clear that this number is not divisible by 3. So trying with 5 students, so 5 2s are 10, 39 will be there, 5 7 ja 35, 41 will be there, 5 8 ja 40, 15 will be there, 5 3 ja 15. Again you can see that we are getting 3 over here. It means this number is not divisible by 5 or 2. So going further prime numbers, so you should try with the 7. 7 3s are 21, 6 will be there, so 7 9 ja 63. Again it is not divisible by 7. So trying with the 11, 11 2s are 22, there will be 58, 11 5s are 55, here will be 33, means 11 3s are. Again students, 253 is to be divisible by 11. So 11 2s are 25, 11 2s are 22 and 3 will be there, 11 3s are. Okay, again 23 can't be splitted because 23 is a prime number. So 13,915 can be written as 5 11 into 11 means 11 square into 23. Now move to the final questions. By the same method we will factorize 1,08,000 means 100,800. By this same process, so first of all you can see that students at unit place 0 is there, it means this number is to be divisible by 2. So first of all dividing this number by 2, here we are getting 2 5s are 10, 5 0, 2 4s are 8, then 0 0. Again divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, 10 will be there, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, once again 0 0. Again students, we will continue this splitting process. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 12 will be there, 6 00. Again student divide by 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now divide by 2 once again, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 10 will be there, 2 5s are and 0. Again splitting by 2, 2 1s are 11 is there, so 5s are. Okay students, so dividing by 2, 2 1s are 2, 11 will be there, 2 5s are 10, 15 will be there, 2 7s are 14, 10 will be there, so 5s are. Again students divide this number by 3, 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15 once again. Now students, this number can be divisible by 3 or 5. So first of all trying with 3, 3 2s are 3 1s are 3, 22 will be there, 3 7s are 21. Again it is divisible by 3, 3 2s are 3 1s are 3, 22 will be there, 3 7s are 21 and 15 will be there, 3 5s are. Again students, this number can be divided by 5, 3 5s are 15, 2 will be there, 35, divide by 5 and here we are getting at the last prime is 7. So 1,08,000 can be written as 1 2 3 4 5 6, means 6 times 2 is there, so 2 is to the power 6, 1 2, 2 times 3 is there, so 3 square, 1 2, 5 square and 7. Students, this is the final touch of this topic. Students, I hope you have understood this video session of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. If you having any doubt, just comment in the comment box. For more videos of different topic, keep watching this channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have subscribed my channel, just press on the bell icon. Thank you so much once again.